If a cottage-style garden and farm on 5 acres has been your dream, you found it. Fox Island Farm and Gardens. This custom-built home was designed for a family living an entertaining home. Inspired by quintessential Cape Cod styling, the portico entry welcomes you with a calming fountain surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens. The open spaces facilitate hosting gatherings while keeping everyone connected. The stone fireplace anchors the living room, creating a cozy atmosphere. Enjoy vibrant conversations from the veranda where you can overlook the gardens and the pastures, all framed by distant views of pastoral properties, Puget Sound and the Narrows Bridge. Step into the sunroom. Here, a bright and cheerful retreat awaits, perfect for reading, nurturing plants, working remotely, or simply taking a peaceful nap. The bonus media room above the garage has been the backdrop for countless sleepovers, complete with movies and snacks. The home's location offers plenty of space to play. Lots of room for kids, immersing them in nature and farm life. It has hosted numerous large play dates filled with pony rides, tree climbing, and berry picking. And yes, there's a chicken coop. It's predator-proof, featuring an enclosure with hot wire protection. Fox Island community offers a wealth of activities, kayaking, boating, and not too far is the fishing pier. This casual country estate setting, when entering through the gate, shared with just 4 large properties, is one not to miss. A classic Cape Cod styled and inspired home elevated through thoughtful architecture, coffered ceilings, round paned glass windows, abundant natural light, and finely executed trim work. These details pair with the open, welcoming main level living plan for everyday comfort and effortless entertaining. Relaxed living with absolutely no detail forgotten.